Why is it called Janet?
Ko alam.
Di mo alam? Ano thoughts mo right now, JP?
Huh?
Ano thoughts mo right now?
Wow.
Lalang? Bruh. Ain't no way. I was gonna say something, but I forgot.
Thoughts ko.
Yeah.
Wala. Mahirap
Sabi,
pala din.
sabi niya kanina, mahirap pala dito. No?
Mahirap pala
First time
dito.
pa lang yan.
Kala ko ba? Pag pinapanood ko, parang ano, madali.
That's what I
Pero
said.
pag ano ka na, wow, iba pala.
Yun din sinabi ko. One. Yeah, after. I can be last. Banlaw. No, I did that kanina.
Ikaw?
My body lang.
Wash
Banlaw?
up lang ako.
Pangilan ka? Sino nauna?
Soy, sino siya?
Okay.
Ay, pila na ako, Diyos ko po. Pila ako, hindi ako papayag, hindi ako makaligo.
Ako din.
Oo.
Inumoy muna.
Sure.
Diba?
Sure. No worries.
What did you say?
JP is like a bata. But not in a bad way.
I know.
Parang he's so innocent.
True.
Yep. Okay, talk.
Also the way he moves.
Yeah. When you do it, you don't look like a bata. You look like a crazy animal. Go.
What are your thoughts?
What was our topic kanina sa table?
Do you deserve to be the big winner? Tapos, you were gonna ask me something, and now you forgot. I told you were gonna forget it. Tapos sabi mo, no.
What was the topic? You forgot.
If you deserve to be the big winner.
I forgot. True. Sorry. I'm the answer.
Told you were gonna forget it.
Then you got it right. Congrats, Bratulano.
Then you owe me one tinapay.
Don't get my tinapay next time. You know it gets hard under there. But yeah, it does. So don't get it na. Just put it in the Tupperware. Tupperware.
Okay.
What thanks?
I wish
You the best.
I could talk to an outsider. Like maybe a close one, a close friend, or you know. And I wish to know what they think. Give me advice. You know what? I never actually asked for advice. Sometimes I do, but I never asked for serious advice. But now I'm seriously asking for a serious one. Confirmed. I'm not the problem. You are.
It's your face. It's your face.
What?
You're like, actually, activist.
Something's wrong with you.
Something's wrong with you.
All right. My coping mechanism. So satisfying. My coping mechanism. At first, I didn't believe it, but like,
Why do you keep smelling that?
I put the thing. But now, I'm acknowledging it.
What?
Acknowledge the pain. Maybe it is joking around. They were like, Keisha, stop joking around. You shouldn't joke around about that thing. Because you should feel bad. And then I go, I do feel bad. But also, I want to joke around. Because it's funny. Makes me laugh. Did you just laughed?
No.
Exactly. I just realized that was true when I was getting interviewed.
Into what?
Interviewed.
Oh.
Okay, ask question. Question. You can't laugh. You cannot.
You're so... This is like... This Keisha is so stressed out.
You know what?
What?
I feel like if I cry, you wouldn't know what to say.
I feel like if I cry, you wouldn't know what to say.
Exactly. That's why we're both laughing. But my God, I realized it because he was like, "What are you doing?" Like because he.
You know, this you right now, you want to cry.
No. Anyway.
No, you want to cry. Just
Shut up,
say it.
Rain.
Just say
Listen
it.
to
Just
me.
say it. Yeah?
Listen first.
Just say it, yeah?
Listen,
But I
sa.
want to know if I'm right.
No, I don't.
You do.
I want to cry, but I don't feel it.
Ah, see?
It's
The
because
answer
of
was yes.
the way I'm talking, and it's actually working. I'm so good. Like I didn't even know I was doing that.
That's
until
how you
right
did
now.
it with Kanap. But you failed there.
What did I do?
The first eviction line.
What did I do? I don't remember.
Yeah.
Hello, Kuya Dylan. Welcome back to the chat.
What's your line
What line?
for your shower?
I don't know. Hindi ko na silang tawagin ako.
Say it.
What?
What were you gonna say?
No.
Ah!
How about you, Kuya Dylan? How do you cope?
What?
When, when you're stressed out, and how do you cope?
What kind of stress?
Like
This
right
one.
now.
There's different kind of
Like this.
Like this. Siyempre, may mga may mga sa opinion ko na unfair. But nasa isip ko na lang na kailangan nilang pagdaanan yun kasi feel ko din naman yung mga unang linggo unfair din sa akin. So parang wala, ganun talaga. Kahit na gusto ko silang i-save, wala. Hindi na. Pero si Jaren hindi talaga papayag niya. Was not. No, really. Sabi.
Di papayag na.
Di ba siya yung nag-7?
Hey.
Oh.
Sabi ko. Si Binsoy! Binsoy! Di pa nakaligo si Binsoy!
Tapos?
Yeah. Kaya nag-thank you ako sa inyo. Kasi hindi rin kayo pumayag na ako. Pero I was not gonna payag talaga na si Jared.
Why does he always hold the kutsarita?
I don't know.
Oh. Di ba? I just asked that.
Nakikita ko na, ayan ang pinakagat niya, tapos pinakamoy niya. Sabi niya, alam ko.
But when I'm stressed, yun, binabalikan ko lang. Na I thought di ako maka 1 week. And then naka 1 week ako. And then ngayon, 1 month. More than a month na nandito. And yun nga, pumasok naman tayo mag-isa. So, lalabas din tayo mag-isa. But with friends na. Importante lang sa akin, pag may lalabas, sana walang problema na iwan sa loob.
Gitapol ka sa. Kusad.
You and Jaren have similar answers. Because Jaren said he just thinks about something like that as well, that plenty of people audition for this, kaya he's lucky to be here and he's gonna fight for it. That's how he copes now. God.
And before I leave, if ever I leave, I wanna have an impact on each of the housemates' life here. And syempre sa mga nanonood, ayoko yung mag-alis ako ng parang wala lang. Yung hindi ako mararamdaman. Parang ganun. But I'm sticking with my principles in life. Morals ba?
Didikit sa loob ko ha.
I want to be the winner, but if natatapakan yung pinaniniwalaan ko, no, di na lang.
Understand.
There's a bigger world outside. Stick to your morals. For me. Ako. Lagi ko sinasabi kay Big Bro yan. Your brother.
What advice would you give me right now?
Keep being you, the unbothered you.
For real?
I was thinking nga how you do it. Kasi gusto ko maging ganun.
What would you give Rain?
I would give this both to you. Parang, huwag niyong gayahin yung iba na pagka emotional, nag-impulsive decision.
No, true. The heck was that, bro? But I understand her,
It wasn't impulsive for me.
her motive. Because I saw her, she really wanted to talk and just say, okay, I'll just have it like,
I really thought about it like a lot. And I looked at everyone kung sino yung i-vote. I was like, bro, parang ako man yung pinakamarami violations sa lahat. Bakit? And I know to myself, so stupid naman
Also,
kung
I also thought that way. But also, like the one I told you, like, the way you see yourself is also different from how other people see you. And then you said
True.
that back to me.
true, but we're talking about violations.
I know.
You know.
Some
You know
people
what?
might
It's
feel
over.
like, okay, bro,
Get over
just
it.
do.
I had a hard time nga kanina how to rank myself. Kasi wala talaga akong, wala akong na-keep track na violations. I mean, paano ko kung hindi ko alam kung anong...
True.
Yung first
Also
week,
fair.
medyo marami pa, syempre, ga-adjust. Pero yung mga nakaraan,
Sometimes we might be able to, do something. Like, we might have violated something, pero di tayo aware that violation pala yun.
sabi ko nga sa'yo, gusto ko yung 8 eh. Just,
8, oo.
Kasi gusto ko lang. Gusto ko yung
Jersey
number.
number niya.
Tapos yun pala yung save number.
Hindi, pero kahit naman nung 11 housemates, yun yung sinabi ko kay Kai eh.
Oh,
Okay lang ako, hindi muna. Kasi doon ako sa 8.
oh
Kayo na
really?
lang muna. Gusto ko sa 8 ako.
Oh, I
Yeah,
thought
that's
eight.
why when, remember when we ran, he went for Mark's spot. Kasi 8 yun.
I was
I
8.
don't know.
No?
I was 8. You're 7.
Oh.
I don't know ano yung tinapakan ko. But
You think you would care what number you'd step on that moment?
yeah.
I
Are
probably
you okay?
would. I probably would. Sorry,
Ako
we're not the
hindi.
same person.
Ako wala. I just went to like the last...
I even went to 7. I was like, oh, this is my spot. I'm
Yeah,
going
me
to
too.
7.
I just ran.
Exactly. You thought of it.
No, I did not.
You thought of going back to your spot.
No, I just went to the closest.
Liar.
Oh no, the closest there. But I don't know why I went there. Maybe because it's my number. I don't know.
Exactly. Huh?
Je, sino next mo? Je, sino next mo? Pag wala ako ah.
Exactly why.
Mm.
What? Did I sing?
Stop saying that, Kay. I also say it. Okay.
Angie was the big winner.
Yeah, and she's always nominated. That's my motivation the first
Why?
weeks.
Why was she always nominated?
I don't know.
Was that celebrity?
Yeah, last season. She's from Siargao.
What do you feel about people Like imagine it's here, and then you're always this person is always nominated. Tapos na big winner siya.
Siguro, baka, hindi, matindi ang support sa kanya. Yun lang yun. Yun lang talaga yun. You would know if matindi yung support sa'yo. You would know. You can feel it.
Really? I don't even know.
You would know. You sold out.
It was pulbos, 130 lang. 138 lang. I would buy it for fun.
Mine was 200 and hindi na sold out.
Was it close?
I actually think you have a lot of support.
What?
I just feel it. How come I feel for others but I can't feel for myself?
I also can't feel for myself. It's so weird. My goodness.
I can feel for others and myself as well.
I mean, I feel like you can feel for yourself because you've been saved twice.
True. That's what I'm saying. Like, since you've already been saved twice, I feel like you can feel.
To be honest, kahit nung first, I was not nervous. I was nervous nung sila. This weekend, I was so nervous, bro.
Oh.
I was so scared.
OMG, that's true. I noticed. You were praying.
Yeah, I was so scared.
Oh, yeah, true.
I actually never see you do that until yesterday.
So scared.
That's crazy.
Most of them are close to me.
I can tell. You even went to the altar, Gane.
But I low-key knew.
That.
Too.
Yeah. I also knew as
Me
well.
too.
Isa lang yung nagkamali ako. Paris.
Yeah, me too. Oh my god, same.
Huh?
First eviction, I thought Therese would stay.
Oh, true. You know what I told her? Oh, I kind of feel bad. I told her, cause she was like, "Can you like hold my swimsuit in case like I go out?" I'm like, "Trust me, bro, you ain't." And then she went out. I'm like,
Actually, I didn't expect that.
I also did not expect that.
I was surprised but I don't know how to react that time.
That's why I was like, do
Then
I
the
not
second
know the
one, I
taong
also
bayan?
expected it. The last I Diba? How come I feel for others but I can't feel for myself? Bro. One of the last.
Last ka.
Me as well. I showered kanina.
Are you gonna shower now? ASAP? RN?